I picked up a couple of these tinsel stars from the 4th of July section at Dollar Tree, and I thought we would give them a makeover. Now, I wanted quick, easy, so we're not going to take the tinsel off and replace it with something, but I thought we could make it look, you know, a little bit more high-end as a party decoration. So the first step is just trying to get the little paper stars off. I just used my heat gun to kind of melt the hot glue that was on there because I'm wanting to remove all of the stars, but I don't want to damage any of the tinsel because I want to reuse it for this DIY. And as you can see, I have some blue spray paint there, and that is just some blue spray paint that I had like in my stash. And I thought we could kind of remake these, make these look a little bit more simple. When I say high-end, more like Target party decorations, less like Dollar Tree party decorations, if you know what I mean. So I got all of my stars off of those, and so I am just going to grab these, take these outside, and spray paint them. I wanted to do just like something a little bit more solid than the pattern and to take away like that tinsely shine on them. So this is the paint that I use. It is a gloss. It's kind of like a royal blue, and I wasn't sure how all those different colors would paint, but 2 coats of spray paint, I think they look really good. I was really surprised the red and white sections kind of look the same as the blue sections. And they kind of look good as is, and I thought about just using them as blue, but I have all of these white stickers that we made on the Cricut, right? And so I thought we would do like a flag star pattern on them. Would be easy to do. So I'm using those 1-inch white stickers that we made, and I do 1 in the point, 2 above that on each of the star rays. And then I will fill in the middle of it as well, kind of keeping that same pattern. So that's all 5 rays. At first, I wasn't sure how to do it, but then I kind of figured it out. 1 kind of in each section there, and that kind of repeats that star pattern. So we're going to do the same thing here on star number 2, and I think they do look better. What do you guys think? I'm not a big fan of these, but I wanted some easy DIY, and so I didn't really want to take everything off and replace everything on the cage because that would not be that easy, right? Now, I decided they look really cute together, so I thought I would just display them together, like hang them together. They do have the little hangers still on top. So I take some Dollar Tree twine, and I'm just going to tie off a hanger for the top. And then I am just going to tie them together. So I'll use that hanger. I'll put this one like below it like that. And just kind of put it through the plastic cage like right here in the middle. And tie that off up there. And then I can tie off the other end for the hanger. And we have a little bit more high-end party decor, but using 2 items from the Dollar Tree. I'll have to remember painting these. It's definitely a different technique than I usually do on these little tinsel items from the Dollar Tree, but I think it turned out pretty good for a party decoration. What do you guys think? So let me show you how those look hanging. I'm really impressed with how well they spray painted because that was such an easy way to change the color of these, but I think they look really pretty.